Right, these ugly boots are actually really helpful. We are day 3 of Denali, and what a better way to spend it than flying over it. So we're about to hit the air and go and have some spectacular views of Denali and go and land on a glacier. I'm really nervous. Oh my god! Let's get a photo. Oh my god! This is. Don't you? I know you'd be first. Right. These ugly boots are actually really helpful. Oh my god! Oh god! I can't do this. We're on the glacier. So we landed in the plane. On this glacier here.
This is wow.
This is amazing. It's a lot snowier than the Canada glacier that I landed on a couple of years ago, but it's awesome, and these views are just nuts. Absolutely nuts. And it's not as cold as I thought it'd be, which is good. But yeah, we can have a little fun now. Snowman building has commenced. So that over there is Alaska's most expensive Airbnb. Imagine living in that for a week. Incredible. Just in case I never see my GoPro again, there it is. GoPro, it's nice knowing you, just in case. The Denali flight. We're at the campsite now. Just an absolutely amazing experience. Honestly, it's one of the best things I've ever done. I'm just kind of overwhelmed. I was a little bit sick. think the anxiety of it all on the way back, because I had no distractions, because I knew what was going to happen, made me pass out. So I had a nice little snooze on the way back. But no, it was absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend. It's one of the best things I've ever done. Dinner time now. I think we've got chili on the cards, and then we're off to Alaska Range tomorrow. Oh my god, look what I found. It's the magic bus.
Is there anybody here? So, here's how I play the game. This is Polish horseshoes, okay? You have on your team, I was on the same side, so Chris and I are on a team, let's say, okay? The idea is to knock the bottle off the PVC pipe, okay? Now, if the bottle hits the ground, that's 3 points. If the frisbee hits the ground, that's 1 point, okay? So even if it doesn't hit the pipe or the bottle, you have to catch it. So if you drop the frisbee, 1 point, right?
Triple loser, you've not won this game once. So please ignore the state I'm in. I'm getting ready for the bed for the night. I just wanted to show you that it's nearly 11 and this is how bright it is. And it will stay this way till about 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, really regretting an eye mask now, but I'm that tired. I'll probably fall asleep like that tonight. But good night, see you tomorrow.